Lordship, I beg to mention for listing on motion matter, my lord. I have filed on 11/12. Tomorrow, my lord, may I have 11/12 I have.
Okay.
I am deep.
May I please, Lordship, item number 17, Lordship. Today we have filed affidavit in opposition. Record may call for.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 14, my lord. I have taken concern from other side, my lord.
Yes. Okay. Both sides are represented on the prayer made by learned counsel for the petitioner. Matters are adjourned today after vacation.
Always.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10 for adjournment. I'm on behalf of my senior B Islam. As yesterday as well, we took adjournment because his niece is sick and he's out of station. Therefore, today as well, he could not appear.
Okay, same order.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? For listing, after listing of tomorrow, listing of
Hmm?
motion matter. Listing of motion matter.
Why you are waiting for the last day?
Yesterday I filed.
Okay.
Hello.
Lordship, I'd like to mention a new active matter tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Why you are making it?
Lordship, because it
From
was
the last-
filed day after yes, it was filed yesterday. There is an urgency, Lordship.
Please, Lordship, item number 22 of supply list, Lordship, yesterday leftover metal, Lordship. 22 criminal appeal. Okay, we'll take it up. At 2, Lordship. No, not at 2. We'll take it up. Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship. Kindly adjourn the matter, Lordship, after vacation.
Okay. Same order.
Upgraded item 22 or orders.
Lordship, that in this case, Lordship, the appellant is convicted under section 6 of Foxtrot, Lordship, for 25 years, Lordship, and with 5,005 fine. Lordship, what is the date when he was taken into custody? And Lordship, it is taken in custody, Lordship, 10/11/2022, Lordship. And as on today, Lordship, 2 years, 1 month, 9 days in custody. 10 days, Lordship. And his custodial trial, Lordship, completed, and he was arrested on 10/11/2022, Lordship. But my lord, my one submission, Lordship, and the appellant is a 75 years old person, Lordship. And we have the documents, Lordship. And his date of birth 1/1/1950, Lordship. So as on today, Lordship, and is 75 years old. Just a moment.
In view of the medical report, we are
Lords.
not inclined to release the petition on bail, but we'll expedite the hearing. We'll take it up in
Medical report,
January.
His Lordship, the Supreme Court judgment is there. Yeah.
No, we are not. We are not giving. It's a girl's age is 3 years old.
Lords.
Infant mother.
But actually, Lordship, under the only one person is eyewitness is here is.
We have seen the
statement
medical
of-
evidence.
Lordship,
You want us to read it?
Lordship.
You see the medical evidence. It's a 3-year-old girl. How much she will say?
Lordship. But as per the instruction, Lordship. the
Fix it up
appellant is-
in the month of January for hearing. We're not inclined to grant.
So we file an affidavit. I appear for the informant, the father of the infant. I file an affidavit on Monday. If it may please be brought on record. I appear for the father of the infant child, my lord. We filed an affidavit on Monday, resisting both the bail as well as the appeal, my lord. If it may please be brought on, directed to be brought on. record.
You give a slip, otherwise it will not come.
I will.
Ah.
I will.
You give a requisition.
I will. Lordships.
Lordship, Para number, Lordship, 4, Lordship. Para number 4.
Okay.
Lordship only for 10 days, last 2 year, since year 2022 is custody, Lordship, only for 10 days is possible and he will be surrendered, Lordship.
No.
Not
For,
at this
uh,
stage, ma'am.
For this parole or what is it called?
Probation does.
Furlong.
Yes,
Furlough.
well, Cannot.
Furlough.
You have to move the appropriate authority,
Yes, correct.
not in bail. Furlong. I forget the name. That term I always forget.
Yes.
Spelt otherwise. It is spelt otherwise. FURLOUGH. We say it as for now.
But it slips out of the mind. This
Yeah.
word,
Yes, my word is,
since I don't, what you call,
it,
take up these matters regularly, I tend to
Yes.
forget.
it resembles a Assamese word, my lord.
Huh?
Furlong, my lord.
Furlong.
We have to, my lord, this like saying regarding distance, my lord, covered, which say in Assamese.
No, that's not furlong.
Furlong, no.
No,
Yes,
but
it's not
that's
furlong.
just like the sometimes. Meaning is different, my lord.
Furlough comes from
It's just,
from the court practice in England.
sometimes,
Furlough is the administrative power of the executive
lost.
to give leave,
Exit.
and it's not counted for the purpose of adding the sentence.
Yes, no,
It's not counted.
no.
Heard. Mr. F. Hawk, learned counsel for the applicant, also heard. Mr. MP Goswami, learned APP for the state, as well as Mrs. S. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the informant. Comma, arrayed herein as respondent number 2. Next paragraph. By filing this interlocutory application under section 389 CRPC, will not apply.
Earlier I have filed lordship.
No, you filed in January.
At that time lordship went.
389 will not.
Huh?
389
But
bylaws.
at that time was
Oh, January
January.
24. Okay, 389 was applicable.
I
Correct.
applicable.
3 January.
Huh. 389
This
CRPC,
This-
comma, the applicant who is the
January. Junior
File.
Junior agot.
convict.
July agot.
Right. Judgment and sentence dated 30/9/2023, who was convicted by judgment and sentence dated 30/9/2023, passed by the learned special judge in bracket POXO, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati, in special within bracket POXO, case bracket close case number 11 of 2023, under section 6 of the POXO Act, and sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 25 years with fine of rupees 5,000 with default stipulation. Next paragraph. The learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that the applicant was taken into custody on 10/11/2022 and has been in judicial custody for more than 2 years. And on the ground that the applicant is aged 75 years, by relying on the order dated 22/4/2024, passed by the Supreme Court of India in IA number 5476 of 2024, in connection with SLP within bracket criminal, bracket close number 8388 of 2024, spread for bail. Next paragraph. The prayer for bail is opposed by the learned APP as well as by the learned counsel for responding God 2. Next paragraph. Taking into consideration the statement made by the victim girl who was only 3 years of age at the relevant time, as well as the graphic details of the incident as narrated by the respondent number 2 in his evidence, coupled with the incriminating materials which are available in the medical examination report of the victim girl. The court is of the considered opinion that this is not a fit case to enlarge the applicant on bail at this stage. Despite the projected age of the applicant. Stop. Next para, on facts, comma. The case cited by the learned counsel for the applicant would not be applicable in this case in view of the fact that in the decision cited by the learned counsel for the applicant, comma, the petitioner before the Supreme Court of India was convicted and sentenced to undergo 4 years of maximum rigorous imprisonment for committing offense punishable under section 420, 467, 468, 471, 120 capital B and 201 of the IPC. And in the present case, the applicant is convicted under section 6 of the POXO Act and sentenced to undergo imprisonment for 25 years. So therefore, the case cited by the learned counsel for the petitioner would not be applicable under the facts and distinguishable facts and circumstances of this case. Next para. How this application for suspension of next para. However, the suspension of sentence. Application for the suspension of sentence is kept pending to be reconsidered. In the event the connected appeal cannot be heard in a reasonable time. Full stop. According to this matter, along with the connected, whenever the connected appeal is listed, next para, next order in the appeal, help same parties, so and so for the appellant, respondent numbers 1 and 2. Next para. In view of the order passed today in the connected IA civil, IA criminal 315 of 2024, what is inclined to list this. Now, it's inclined to direct the registry to expedite the preparation of paper book. So the matter can be heard out of turn. Next para. List on. (27) 1/2024. Awaiting preparation of paper book. We are keeping it pending.
Yes.
We consider reasonable time it cannot be heard.
Lordship, I is kept pending.
I is kept pending.
Lord,
Obliged,
Lord.
obliged.
I'm obliged. Lord.
Item 1 for motion.
Lordships, the senior government advocate is appearing in the matter and he's on legs right now in court number 1. So the matter may be passed over for the time being, Lordships. Instruction is there, Lordships. With yes, Lordships.
Just a moment. Okay, we'll wait for some time. We'll take it after some time. Okay.
I'm obliged.
Item 2.
Maybe resolution. Not page 55 is the my lord import order, my lord. My lord. Delay,
Consider prayer for bill on receipt of records.
my lord.
But Mr. H.R. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel, election commission, we have Ms. N. Biri on behalf of Ms. P. Barba, standing counsel for respondent number 2. Mr. G. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the FT matters, representing respondent number 3, 5, and 7. And Mr. H.K. Hazarika, I'm the government advocate, appearing for respondent number 4 and 6.
One is appeared by Miss B Sharma.
Huh? B. Sharma.
B Sharma,
Okay.
one.
Ms. B. Sharma, CGC for respondent number 1. Which page is the opinion?
Yes,
Mr. Ahmed?
55, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, 55.
55. Opinion dated 8/4/2022, passed by so-and-so in case number so-and-so. Police reference in the case number so-and-so. Thereby declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner post 25/3/1971 stream. Notice call for the notice extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. In the meanwhile, if the petitioner is apprehended, petitioner namely so-and-so Jehar Ali, Jehar Ali is apprehended, he shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Will you fix date after? Take it from. We are giving a fixed date after due.
Obliged.
After 4 weeks, we'll give you. We'll give it after some time, Mr. Ahmed. 22nd January. 22nd January. Mr. Nath, we have the report.
Second.
Is it okay? Everything is okay? Oh, thank God.
In one word, my lord.
After a long time, in fact, maybe for the first time, I am referring to Almighty sitting in this chair. You both were very anxious.
Lot. Even I am also.
But she'll have to be given some counseling and medical for some time.
She's still under medication. Under medication, she has been released from the
No,
hospital.
that's okay, but
In the center, she's there.
through counseling, please see that her health checkup is monitored regularly.
Yes.
Huh?
Lordship. Not one. Okay. Yes. You are seeing Yoruba, huh? Yes, I want the Yoruba. From page number 3, Malad.
Which
Well, page number 3, the present status of action taken report. It starts. Lordship may kindly come to page number 5, my lord. I have paginated in the right side, Lord. Right hand. Page number 5. On 13th, 14th, 16th dates are there, my lord, that they have action they have taken. I'm just indicating that, my lord. Otherwise, they have said in detail, my lord. Oh, dear, sir. Correct. Therefore, she's in the chest center, my lord, till now.
by the doctors. It's good. Mr. Nath, what further can be ordered?
Now, my lord,
Just the after care, just the aftercare
lordship, aftercare and counseling.
and counseling.
That will do.
That will do.
Yes. The chair certificate is also there.
Ms. Sharma, please see the order and please tell us if it needs some modification. Mr. Mahanta is available in court?
Lordship, he is on legs, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. T.J. Mahanta, and senior counsel, assisted by senior counsel and the amicus curiae in the matter, assisted by Ms. P. Sharma, learned counsel. Also heard Mr. D. Nath, learned senior government advocate, appearing for the respondents. Next paragraph. Pursuant to order dated 9/12/2024, the learned senior government advocate has produced a copy of written instructions dated 18/12/2024 by the additional district commissioner within bracket SW bracket close Tesukia, along with a report, action taken report submitted by the Joint Director of Health Services, Tinsukia, by their letter dated 11/12/2024, and 18/12/24. Oh, sorry, 11/12/24, and by the chairperson chairperson and members of Child Welfare Committee, Tinsukia, by letter dated 18/12/2024, and letter dated 18/12/2024 by the District Child Protection Officer, Full stop. Next para. From the status report, next para, from the the report of this status report by the district child protection officer. It appears that the victim girl that medical termination of pregnancy was conducted on 14/12/2024 at about 8:03 a.m. Victim X, girl X. Through medical method. And and prior to that, the victim was given prior counseling and then and post MTP, the counselor of district child protection unit, Tinsukia, the supervisor of child helpline under the district child protection unit, Tinsukia, had visited the Assam Medical College and Hospital for monitoring the victim as per directions of the district child protection officer, Tinsukia. And thereafter on 16/12/2024, the victim was discharged with advice to attend the general OPD after 6 weeks. As per the discharge certificate, the abortus, ABORTUS, was handed over to the police party on 14/12/2024 for forensic examination. It is also reported that as the mother of the victim is bedridden and not physically fit to take care of the victim, under such compelling reasons, the victim girl is placed at an appropriate shelter home on 16/12/2024 for proper care. It is reported that the victim is safe and in good condition, but under minimum medication as prescribed by the doctors. It is also reported that that an ambulance was facilitated by the Joint Director of Health Services, Tinsukia, for dropping the victim to the hospital. And thereafter, the Joint Director of Health Services, Tinsukia, had also facilitated an ambulance for picking up the victim from the medical college post MTP. And moreover, the district commissioner, Tinsukia, had also facilitated a vehicle for the victim's mother and brother for their transportation before the MTP on 14/12/2024. And all the necessary expenses, including food and lodging, was the victim as well as the attendant, was organized by the district child protection officer, Tinsukia. Next para. for the timely steps and actions taken by the various authorities. The court records its appreciation for the Deputy Commissioner, Tinsukia, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Tinsukia, the Joint Director of Health Services, Tinsukia, along with all concerned officer and staff, the District Child Protection Officer within Packet in charge IC, Tinsukia, as well as all connected staff under the said authority. This Child Welfare Committee Chairman, Chairman.
First, in the first letter, serial number 2, copy to serial number 2, that is the designation, sir.
The chairperson within Packet in charge Child Welfare Committee, Tinsukia, along with all personnel connected thereto. The District Child Protection Officer within Packet in charge, Tinsukia. The Superintendent of the Assam Medical College and Hospital, Dibrugarh, along with all the medical and paramedical staff associated with this, with the MTP conducted upon the victim on 14/12/2024, as well as the staff and paramedical staff of childcare institution of Tinsukia, including the concerned shelter home at Tinsukia. The learned senior government advocate shall transmit a copy of this order to the Liberian authority so that for information. Next para, the concerned authorities, including the Joint Director of Health Services, as well as the Child Protection Committee, Tinsukia, shall take necessary follow-up about the of the victim X, and to continue to provide her all the medical and counseling facilities in a manner they may deem appropriate. Should we keep it open or we should close it?
Marad may close it. Or Lordship may post it after the reopening, so that in the meantime she will be.
After 1 month. After 1 month.
Lordship. In the meantime, her health condition will apply.
The status, the
If she is
health condition of the victim shall be reported on the next date of listing. Next list on 29 January 2025.
and if the condition is good, and she can be released from the open shelter home, she'll be released.
Lordship, in that case, in their statement, Lordship, father and mother both, they have stated that they do not want the girl to be brought home.
And that,
Where is that?
Lordship,
No,
in
for that they will have to be done counseling because they can't abandon a child.
Lordship.
They will somebody has to tell them they will be proceeded with. a child in need of care,
Lordship.
where is that statement?
Lordship, page 11, Lordship, page 10, father statement, Lordship. Page 11 is the relevant part, Lordship. Second paragraph, Lordship, I want my daughter so and so.
Which page you said?
Page number 11, Lordship, of the,
No, page number 11 is letter dated 12/12.
In the petition, in the petition.
Oh, in the petition.
In the petition.
it starts from page number 10, Lordship.
No, it should be required to give counseling. They can't abandon child like that. It's a child in need of protection. Judicially, we can't institutionalize the victim under the child protection policy.
Lordship.
It can't be done. Acha. The next part of the no, just before that part of it. The learned amicus has referred to the page number, the statement of the father of the victim,
Even mother, Lordship.
father and mother of the victim, during inquiry made by the district secretary, district legal services authority, Tisukia, on 3/12/2024. I said this appreciation you also had them, secretary DLSA, and the paralegal volunteers. There's a lady who went there, paralegal volunteer. Along with the concerned Mama Sudan. Yeah, no paralegal volunteer, namely Srimati Bhagya Lokhi, BHGYA LAKHI Barwa, and other staff of DLSA Tinsukia. Statement by recording 3/12/2022, and it is submitted that the parents of the victim girl will express their disinclination to bring back the victim to their home on the ground that it may affect her negatively. Stop. As abandoning of a child in need of care and protection may not be legally permissible. Stop. Therefore, the secretary, district legal services authority, to its through a learned paralegal volunteer, may also undertake counseling of the parents so that they do not abandon a child in need of care and protection. As institutionalization of such of the victim may not be in the best interest of the victim. Stop. Thereafter that paragraph, you also say that the the Secretary from District Legal Service Authority shall also send its counseling report regarding the parents of the victim prior to the next date of listing. Yes. Next, by the registry shall transmit a copy of this order to the Secretary, District Legal Services Authority. Next para, list on 29/1/2025.
Well, the report and all
This,
this,
the report is kept as a part of the.
and it will be in the seal cover. The discharge certificate contains everything, or the details of the
Oh, I
victim and all.
The report. The report contains the name of the victim and other particulars. The said letter dated 18/12/2025 is produced by the learned senior government advocate along with all enclosures thereto, including the medical discharge certificate shall be kept in the seal cover. And no certified copy shall be, no photocopy or certified copy shall be issued without masking the particulars of the victim. Okay. We have three people. According to how I look at it, without my. Okay. No. What do you want? One section of everything that I could be man, silting could be man. What happened to it? Immense satisfaction for your timely intervention.
But I try my best. It is because of your lordship's but thing.
No, whatever,
Th-
but
this is happening.
it gives a lot of satisfaction that something has come to an end
Correct.
for you and Mr. Manta also.
True. Hello.
God bless.
Item 3.
May I please your lordship? Opinion, my lord, based on 47 May.
We are not giving interim protection now.
Yes,
Not for the record, because this is of 23. Come after a long break.
not financial.
You have been
hardship,
apprehended? No.
my lord.
Is the petitioner apprehended? No.
No, my lord.
Bail will be considered on receipt of records. Your name?
A.H. Chaudhary, my lord.
And Mr. A.S. Chaudhary, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Also, Ms. B. Sharma, and CEC appearing correspondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, and standing counsel for the FT matters representing respondent numbers
4 and 6.
4 and 6. And Ms. N. Bedi, and counsel appearing on behalf of P. Barwa, standing counsel for respondent number 3. And Mr. H.K. Jarika, learned government advocate, appearing for respondent number 5.
6 law.
No, no. Watch out, 5. Watch out, Mr. Sharma will be for 5. Mr. Hazarika will be for 6.
Come metro border.
5 and 6.
Kamrup metro border.
Why Kamrup Metro?
Border is
Yes, Lordship.
Why Kamrup
have-
Metro?
Lordship, opinion was passed by Lordship,
52, my lord, Kamrup
to
metro.
Kamrup Metro.
Oh, this was by city. Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Sharma for 5 and Mr. Hazarika for 6. Which page is the opinion?
130, Lordship.
On
30.
47 operating department.
Opinion dated 30 January 2023, passed by so-and-so in FT case number so-and-so, arising out of IMDT case number so-and-so, thereby declaring the petition to be a foreigner of post 25/3/1971 stream. Notice, extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Period for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. In the meanwhile, if the petitioner is apprehended, she shall not be deported. Give a name, Divjan Bibi, alias Divjan Bibi, alias Mustamak Divjan Begum. The apprehended shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. Next, list on.
After 4 weeks. 21 January, 22 January.
22 January 2023. Notice written on last and so on, same date. And yes, item 4.
Oh, yes.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
One
Ali.
opinion, my lord, page 75, my lord.
Please, what is the date of opinion?
My lord, date of opinion, my lord, 12,
March 24.
324.
March 24.
Yes,
Yes.
my lord. 12 March.
There is another report of another opinion of 17. What is that?
My lord, earlier petitioner declared as a foreigner, my lord. He approached this honorable court, my lord. And at that time, my lord, some document was not annexed, my lord. And subsequently, this document, the court directly demand the matter and to submit the document, my lord.
But Mr. H. Ali, counsel for the petitioner. It's B. Sharma and it's CEC for the for respondent 1. It's N. Bedi, counsel on behalf of Ms. P. Barwa for respondent number 2. Mr. G. Sharma, standing counsel for FT matters representing respondent number 3, 5 and 6. And Mr. H. K. Hazarika, government advocate appearing for respondent number 4. Opinion at page 74. Opinion dated
12/3/2024, my lord. Page 77.
page
77.
77.
Yes, ma'am. Brilliant.
12/3/2024. The rest of details are in page 74. Passed by so and so in so and so corresponding to case number so and so arising out of SB reference number so and so, thereby declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of 25/3/1971 stream. Notice extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Border.
Okay. Jai, my lord.
Hojai.
Yes, my lord.
You've made two, Hojai Nagaon.
My lord, some of the area, my lord, they put there are Nagal jurisdiction and some are.
This is Hojai.
Hojai, that it will be Hojai, my lord.
Superintendent of Police Border Hojai. Payload is 5,000 in both conditions, including the concourse. Petitioner shall not leave the territorial jurisdiction of SP Border Hojai without prior written permission.
High level.
Item 5,
May I please, lord?
Yes, Mr. Sarkar.
Lordship, this is the hard treat petition we have filed, lord.
Hmm?
Hard treat petition.
What is the date of opinion?
Here, lordship, 21/2/24, lord. Petitioner is, we have told, lordship, it's a lady. Page 77, lord.
Third time unlucky is not very good.
Because lordship, my Jamabandi was not considered. First time, lordship,
Jamamati does not show it's not 25 prior to 71.
lordship, reference was made, lordship. Before in 79, lordship, Jamabandi was recorded, lordship.
So therefore, doesn't help you.
Reference made in the year, lordship,
If
2000.
if that's not, it doesn't prove your antiquity before 25/3/1971. Okay, heard Mr. 80. Heard Mr. 80 Sarkar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, Ms. B. Sharma, then it's CCC appearing for respondent number 1, Mr. G. Sharma, then it's standing counsel for the FT matters representing respondent numbers 2, 4,
6.
and 6. And Ms. N. Bedi on behalf of Ms. P. Barwa, standing counsel for respondent number 3. And Mr. H. K. Hazarika, then government advocate appearing for respondent number 5. Opinion is at page
77.
7. It was page 78. Also, make it 77. Make it 77.
Lordship, date of order mentioned in page 81.
81.
Page 81, date of order,
Okay.
final orders mentioned.
21, opinion dated 21/2/2024. Passed by so and so in FTD case number so and so, corresponding to FT case number so and so, arising out of SP border case number so and so. Thereby declaring the petition to be a pardon of post 25/3/1971 stream. Notice extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Petition shall appear before the Superintendent of Police border,
Ojai, Lordship.
Ujai, in 10 days, below 5,000 with those conditions, with default clause. Petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of this court without, of the SP border, Ujai, without prior written intimation. After 4 weeks on receipt of records.
Item 6.
Yes, Mr. Ali, what is the date of opinion?
17/11/22, 2022, period number 70.
We are not giving you interim protection.
My lord, I have explained the delay, my lord, 2 years, my lord, very old, very poor person, my lord, he was out of station, went to Karnataka for his livelihood, for her livelihood, my lord. So, my lord, I have explained the cause of
We are
delay.
not giving interim protection. They know about the opinion.
My lord, the opinion, lordship may kindly see page number 73, the cause of disbelief is very much specific, my lord.
Whatever be the reason. Once there is a delay, we are not giving an interim protection.
My lord, till next date, my lord, if record may be called for and my lord, in the meantime.
Next date we'll consider, no. I'm not giving interim protection. They can't get premium for their own delay. But Mr. A.I. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yeah,
A.A. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard. P. Sharma, and it's CEC appearing for respondent number 1, Mr. G. Sharma. Standing counsel for the FT matters, representing respondent number 2,
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Ms. N. Bedi on behalf of Ms. P. Barwa, standing counsel for respondent number 3, and Mr. H. K. Hazarika, government advocate appearing for respondent number 5. Page 70. Opinion dated 17/11/2022, passed by so and so in FT case number so and so, reference IMDT case number so and so. They were declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner post 25/3/1971 stream. Notice extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records of the tribunal. In the meanwhile, if the petitioner is apprehended, he shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court. List on 22/1/2024. It's notice made returnable on same day.
Deeply obliged.
Supply item 18 for motion.
17%. 17%. Yes, we can. Watch it.
Lordship, page 21 is the opinion.
What is the date of opinion?
31/24.
31/2024.
Yes.
You are saved by 1 month. In fact, 1 day.
1 day.
1 day. What is the date of opinion? Sorry, the page of opinion.
21. Annexure 1, page 20.
21. Here your mother's name is changing.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. But Mr. A.T. Sarkar, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. Sharma, Land Standing Counsel for CZ for respondent number 1. Mr. Mr. G. Sharma, Land Standing Counsel for 50 matters for respondent number 2, 4 and 6. Ms. N. Bedi on behalf of Ms. P. Barwa for respondent number 3. And Mr. H.K. Hazarika, Government with appealing respondent number 5. Opinion dated 30 January 2024. Page 21. Passed by so in FT case number so and so. SP reference number so and so. Declaring the petition to be a foreigner post 25/3/1971 stream. Notice call for the records. Extra copies within 2 days. Petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Border, Nalbari. Bail of 5,000 with those conditions. Petitioner shall not leave the territorial jurisdiction of SP Border, Nalbari without prior written intimation. List after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Supply item 19 for motion.
There is a delay 2020.
2020.
So may I pray female person some protection.
No.
Otherwise, link available.
Mr. E. Ali, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. Sharma, CC appearing for respondent number 1. Mr. G. Sharma, standing counsel for the FT matters for respondent number 2,
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Ms. N. Devi on behalf of Ms. P. Barwa, respondent number 3. And Mr. H.K. Hazarika, examined with appearing for respondent number 5. What is the page number?
This number, my lord,
40.
my lord. 40.
Page 40. Opinion dated 10/11/2020. Passed by so and so in case number so and so, arising out of SP reference number so and so. They were declaring the petitioner to be a foreigner of post 25/3/1971 stream. Issue notice letter number 22/1/2025. Extra copies within 2 days. Call for the records. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of records. In the meanwhile, if the petitioner namely so and so is apprehended, she shall not be deported out of the country without order of the court.
Lords.
Item 20 for motion.
Yes, Mr. Kandaku, what is the date of
My lord.
opinion?
My lord, here I have challenged the notice, my lord. Notice, my lord, the case 49, that inquiry report, my lord, from to, original is 51, my lord. 51, here inquiry, name of person against whom inquiry, Mohammed C, my lord, case
No, the
51.
tribunal, there's Supreme Court judgments which says the tribunal was recorded its satisfaction.
My lord, but
We can't entertain a challenge to a notice.
even I have filed an application before the tribunal. That has been rejected. Even, my lord, the village, I am not village. Village is Satri Valley. I am Satri Valley of Golpara district. Village is not also same. Even one more, my lord.
No, that has to be adjudicated by the state authority.
Yes, lord.
It can't be without an inquiry, it can't be found. We can't, in a writ court, we can't start inquiry of the persons.
But
It's
my
outside
lord,
the scope of
in this case, my lord,
226.
again, my lord,
Matter of
another-
factual determination, lordship.
Hmm?
Matter of factual determination, lordship, all these.
no, my lord,
Discuss,
in the
lordship.
inquiry report, my lord. I
So
even
let him-
it is not mentioned when I have
Contesting case, lordship.
If but
What- what is
notice
there-
says, my lord, I have entered after 9.
Notice cannot be quashed.
Lordship.
That is within the jurisdiction of the tribunal.
My lord, I have filed an application before the tribunal, but tribunal rejected the same, dismissed the same. My lord, I have, our high court's one judgment I have also placed before the tribunal, it's 78.
Notice. Sir.
Huh?
Notice, sir.
Notice, my lord, page 57. Inquiry says no streamline, my lord.
Lordship.
Have you proceeded against this order? No. Because here the notice were quashed.
Lord.
Or this order has attained finality.
Lordship, let me go through the petition, Lordship. Lordship may fix a date, Lordship, immediately after vacation. I will apprise your Lordship.
Notice,
And notice, my lord, inquiry report, there is no streamline from where coming, but no in
oh, that's
notice.
not required. Our High Court has already dealt with the matter.
Yes, Lordship.
What is
Even,
this?
my lord, in notice, the name has been changed, my lord. That is, my lord, page, firstly, I like to take your lordships, page 51, that is the inquiry report.
Yes.
Page 51, my lord, Mohammed Sibas Ali, son of Zaran Ali, village, my lord, Satri Bari. Now, my lord, notice page 57.
Have you stated in your affidavit that you have no other aliases?
I
Because in
have
this-
aliases, I have stated. Sorbes Ali, my name is Sorbes Ali, not Sibas Ali. Sorbes Ali, alias Sorbes Ali Mullah, that is my name. And I am village of Satribari, not Satribari. I think, as per knowledge, my knowledge, Satribari is in the Nolbari. That is why tribunal says, my lord, as per my knowledge, there is no village in the Walpara also, is the Satribari. Satribari is in, as per my knowledge, in Nolbari district, my lord. So notice, my lord, page 57, the original one 59, Sirbas Ali, within bracket Muhammad Sorbes Ali. Inquiry report does not say any Sorbes Ali. Okay. That is why I am affected, my lord. My submission, my lord, whether tribunal can go beyond the inquiry, my lord. Inquiry report says there is no Sorbes Ali, but notice says in bracket, name Sorbes Ali is there. In inquiry, there is no Sorbes Ali.
Father's name is same, village is same, lordship.
Not village, same village is Saptibari. No, my village is Saptibari, not Satribari. And I have annexed my voter list also, page 35. Page 35. 35. 36 is the original, my lord. My village, Gaon and Nam 128 Saptibari. This is voter list with my father, not Satribari. Indeed, my lord, inquiry report, there is no service ali.
They
No,
are
how
always
can it
relying,
be-
lordship, Sirajul Hawk's case, lordship, where there's, yes, lordship. Now they are claiming less, there's some clerical mistake, lordship.
No, no,
Lordship, and he accepted notice, lordship.
not I have been forcefully given by the police, my lord. I objected, my lord. Even if this thing I also brought before knowledge to the tribunal, tribunal not accepted, my lord. My lord, my only submission, if in the inquiry report there is no service ali, how can we notice in service ali there? Notice cannot be given in different name. Here exactly happened, my lord. Inquiry that is okay. But tribunal, my submission is tribunal, whether tribunal can write another name, Sorbesali. Since my name is Sorbesali, but inquiry shows no Sorbesali.
Service, national, yes, service. बोल दो लिखे ना সাউথে পুলিশে
Notice of the tournament.
মই চাওক নাই পোস কেনেকুৱা দেখা
Syllabus, sticky one. Even tribunal admitted. In there are some discrepancy there will be. My lord, I have also annexed tribunal, learned tribunal's order, case 76. By which my.
Just a moment.
My,
সাপ্লি বাড়ি আছে এসে পিটিআর সাপ্লি বাড়ি আসলে কিন্তু ধরে
নাই
lordship page 73 page 73 lordship yes he is dear affidavit lordship he is claiming himself as I survey Sali and now he is telling that enquiry is correct lordships Sibas Ali.
No, notice is Sirbas Ali. And Mohammad Sarves Ali.
Service Ali. From where, my lord, the tribunal gets service Ali? If inquiry is not there,
And this And you see, what is happening, you know. Unless the home is here, we can't do anything about it. Come to page 57. In fact, come to the original one, page 59. You see, Tikona, Satibari, Satri,
Yes, Lordship.
correct?
Yes.
Come to page 73. This is Saptibari, SAPTI,
Yes.
correct? And the Google University says that Saptibari is the village in Gwalpara under Lakhipur police station, which is 55 kilometers away from district headquarters.
Yes.
So there is no Satibari. So definitely he is coming to court. But I am not the person intended. Now, if there is no such village, how will the inquiry happen? He's got a good ground. And when the inquiry is, gives two names, the tribunal issues a notice on the third name, third and fourth name. Third, Mr. M.R. Kondakar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, Ms. B. Sharma and its CEC appearing for respondent number 1, Ms. N. Bedi on behalf of Ms. P. Barwa, standing counsel for respondent number 2, Mr. G. Sharma and its standing counsel for the FT matters representing respondent numbers 3, 5, 3 and 5. The 3, 4 and 5. And Mr. S.K. Azarikar and government advocate appearing for respondent number 6. Next, by filing this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has assailed notice issued on 20 August 2024, issued by the Foreigners Tribunal first, by the learned member, Foreigners Tribunal first, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati, within bracket, respondent number 7, on the ground that the petitioner, namely Sarbesh Ali, Sarbesh, Sarbesh Ali, alias Sarbesh, Sarbesh Ali, Molla, Molleh, son of late Juran Ali, alias Juran Ali Molla, resident of village Saptibari, SAPTI, BARI, under PS Lakhipur, in the district of Gwalpara. See from the cost title, huh? Is not the intended proceedee. By referring to the inquiry report under Form 1, it is submitted that the intended proceedee against whom inquiry was conducted is Mohammed MD Sirbas, Seerbus Ali, son of Mohammed MD Mohammed Jaran, Jaran Ali, of village Satribari, Satribari, under police station Lakhipur, in the district of Gwalpara. First of they said inquiry was conducted on 18/9/2021 by Sub-Inspector of Police within bracket border of this police station. It is stated that the same name and address is also reflected in Form 2, which was forwarded by the Superintendent of Police within bracket border, bracket to city Guwahati. On the basis of which the FT case was registered. Hence, comment is submitted that instead of proceeding against the person against whom the inquiry was done, the process was issued in the name of the petitioner. It is also submitted that on receipt of notice, the petitioner had approached had appeared before the learned tribunal and has filed a petition
Page 60, my lord.
on what is the date?
Date 28/11/2020.
On 28/11/2024. Which was rejected. So in the above, you also add, when I said Superintendent had forwarded, there you also add, it is submitted that there is no village named Satribari, Satribari, under police station Lakhipur in the district of Gwalpara. It was rejected by order dated
6/12/2020. Page, my lord, 74.
74.
My lord.
And it's a reject order dated 6/12/2024. Accordingly, by filing this writ petition, on the petitioner is received the notice dated 28/2024, as well as impugn order dated 6/12/2024. Expiration notice returnable on. You said you want a shorter date.
Lordship may.
Based on On 22 January 2024, extra copies shall be furnished to the relevant state, CGC, State and Departmental Council within 2 days.
Yes, sir.
So, next paragraph, for the present, all for the records.
If
Okay,
Lordship,
then-
otherwise, may I submit Lordship one thing, Lordship? What the enquiry has been done, Lordship, it is only based on hearsay, Lordship. What the enquiry authority has heard, Lordship,
No,
that was
definitely.
taken down, Lordship.
You see, definitely,
Yes, Lordship.
if somebody goes to Fancifar and finds the High Court, as per the inquiry report, what will you say? I went to Fancifar and found the High Court there, made the inquiry, came back. Then
Lordship.
what would you say? If the village is not there, where has gone for an inquiry?
Right.
And you are representing home, you can take the, you can call for your two diary for this policeman on that day. He must have used some petrol or diesel. Call for the two diary, find out where is Saptibari. Take that driver, take this policeman, visit that what you call that village. Why we should always what you call recollect the name of Columbus as the discoverer of America. We have our own discoverer. And when the records be called for from the tribunal.
Record may be called for.
Next paragraph. Till further orders, the proceedings of FT case number 2852 of 2011, corresponding to police case number 565 of 2000, pending before the learned member, foreigners tribunal number first, Kamru Metro Guwahati, shall remain stayed. Next paragraph. The petitioner shall produce a certified copy of this order before the learned tribunal to bring the order to the notice of the said authority. Next paragraph, list on 22 January 2025. We'll take a short break and come back.
Deeply aware.
Upgraded item 17.
So, you're hale and hearty now. Good.
It's asked me for a few minutes ago, they have filed their affidavit, madam, I want to file objection, madam. Respondent number 4 has filed in just few minutes
Yes,
ago.
they are filing.
And respondent number 3 has filed yesterday. I want to file objection, madam.
But the only issue is whether your detention was legal or illegal.
Illegal.
Only one point.
Yes.
And now they are saying that you have been apprehended and then you were taken to the police station. That they have admitted here. Okay. Ms. R. Begum, the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. H.K. Hazarika Lanet, Government Advocate for respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3, as well as Mr. J.K. Goswami, Government Counsel for respondent number 4, are all present. Next para on the prayer. Are present. The affidavit in opposition filed by respondent before has been
I also have.
filed on 18/12/2024 has been called for and tagged with the record. Next, the Government Counsel for the petition pays for and granted time to file reply affidavit, if any, list on. It goes after view.
After we,
Yesterday I have filed.
You have also filed?
Yes, Lordship.
Oh, okay, just I have.
Respondent number
before that,
3.
The London Government Advocate has submitted that on behalf of respondent number 3, an affidavit in opposition has been filed on yesterday's date.
18.
18.
after we vacation.
That the said affidavit be tagged with record. 20/2025.
Monday.
20 January is Monday. Is
Yes.
good for you?
Yes.
Item 7 for admission.
Your Lordship, my lord. In
Where's
view of
the
the
opinion?
Lordship may kindly see.
Where's the
page
opinion?
55.
55. And where is your written statement?
That is page 37.
57. Have you introduced your brother here?
Yes, two brothers and one sister has adduced evidence.
No. In your written statement, you have given the names of your brothers. Have you introduced them here?
It's not there, but in the statement they have stated.
Because your brother had deposed. But his name does
And
not
my
appear in
lord,
the.
there is cell deed. In cell deed, these brothers who adduced evidences and the proceeding, their names appears together.
But you see, we are bound by the Sarvana and Sonwal. If you don't disclose these things in your written statement. Just a moment. Where is your evidence on affidavit? Evidence in chief?
That my lordship may kindly see page 40,
40.
yes. Annexure 14.
What is exhibit G?
Exhibit G certificate copy of Chitak copy.
No, this is voters list of so and so. I have got an electoral photo identity card. Exhibit G.
Voters list of 1966. It is exhibit 2.
No, we are reading a pattern. That's why we are asking you only about exhibit G. Where is the voters list of 2005? This was not exhibited document.
Yes. I didn't record one. Actually, some documents have been provided to us, some are on record, but the documents which are with us, that is 66 voter list, 70 voter list of parents, 66 voter list of parents.
Mr. Sharma, you have the records with you. Just pass it on for some time. Records you have?
No.
Records?
35, my lord, there is a linkage.
Just one.
Yes, 35. Wait again, Naina. That's a 66. What do you think was it?
Yes.
My lord, kindly see page 35.
Page
35.
35. Yes.
Yes, Bahaduddin. Bahaduddin is my brother
Which is this exhibit?
and son of late.
What is this exhibit?
It is exhibit A. Exhibit A. Here Bahaduddin is my brother and he is one of the PWs. Son of
Which page?
Zainal Abidin. Zainal Abidin is my father. And Bahaduddin's father is also Zainal Abidin.
No, no.
Then my
Where is,
lord,
where is the evidence? Who has exhibited this exhibit A? Where is the evidence?
that's 43. 43.
43. It is not exhibited anything.
My lord,
43. Okay. 43 is not an exhibit. There's no exhibit in 43.
yes, lordship, I'm sorry. Page 40 kindly say. Proceedings evidence.
40. Okay.
Proceedings evidence.
Exhibit A.
Para 5. Page 40. That my father's name has been recorded in a land sale deed of land measuring 2 bigha, 4 kata, 4 desa, rag number 70, patta number 75 at village Polasbari under Balijana circle in the district of Gwalpara, Assam, executed in the year on or before 1970, exhibit B. So here,
No, can't be. Something is wrong. You were showing us page 35.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Exhibit A is page 35. Come to page 36, the date is 19/12/96. This is not a pre-75, pre-70 document.
in 96 it is,
If you're not prepared, you're not prepared.
but it is marked as A, my lord.
We understand, but this false. Some false evidence given.
My lord, let me go through, kindly fix it on tomorrow, I will set
No,
it.
not tomorrow. It goes after vacation. We won't have time tomorrow.
Yes, it is exhibited, but why it is wrongly,
No, we don't know.
that
That's
is
why.
wrongly written.
That's why we were trying to locate this. Trying to find out. We are not finding it.
Your lordship, have a date, I will satisfy.
Lordship, Tribunal has also mentioned in the order, Lordship.
Tribunal
the-
says it's not exhibited.
Yes, Lordship. The procedure is absolutely careless in her affidavit and stated about her exhibits which do not tell you the list of documents. Yes, Lordship.
I've seen that. Also, is the represented, the player made them the land counsel for the petition, matters in judgment today. list after entering winter vacation on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Item 9 for admission.
May I please, Lord. Impugn order is at page 18. In this case, my lord, written statement as well as evidence put on the next, my lord, at the time of filing.
Yes, the tribunal says that exhibit one was not proved
My lord,
because you are not in a position to say 2 out of 5 names.
My name appeared in the year 1997 on the list.
Hmm?
My name appeared in the voter list of 1997. my lord.
Is it according to you okay?
My lord.
A name appearing in voters list of 1997, does it prove citizenship according to you? Don't read the brief now and find out. We are asking you a question. You said 1997 voters list, your name is there. Our question is that is it according to you enough
Another
to
document.
prove citizenship?
Another document. Not also.
Then please tell us. Don't. If you start reading here, you will not be able to tell for 1 year, even if you stand here for 1 year. You can give it.
There is a when a Gabra certificate was issued, but that was not, he was not examined.
Then please tell us one good document which you have proved we can show your citizenship.
He was not examined, my lord. The author of the document, my lord. Gabra certificate.
No, what was not done, we have seen it. What is a good document? Show us. The learned counsel for the petitioner uh, is grossly unprepared and is trying to read the brief in the court. Full stop. All the respondents are represented. Next, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall send a downloaded copy of this order to the petitioner to bring this order to the notice of the petitioner and produce a proof thereof on the next date of listing. Next, list after ensuing winter vacation. You will give a notice to your to the petitioner along with a copy of the order, and the proof will be submitted here. We don't want some people to be getting an adverse order just because their counsel are not prepared.
No,
If you're not prepared, don't come to court.
no, I was not provided, my lord, all the documents.
Then don't come to court. Who has asked you? Has anybody compelled you? Are you
I
under
may
a
be
warrant of
given-
arrest?
I may be given an opportunity, my lord.
We have given you an opportunity, but send our order to the client and show us the proof of delivery.
I will contact you.
We don't want unprepared people to stand up in court and waste our time. Even 1 minute spent with you is unrewarding.
Obliged.
Item 11,
Please, your lordship, my lord, I was declared 6671 street, my lord. I filed against that judgment, I filed a review also before the tribunal. Review was also rejected. Then I have come before lordship. In the meantime, I got registered also under the authority of it, under 6671 registration also I have done.
Done.
Yes.
So this matter has been closed.
No, my lord, question I have challenged the 6671 because I was 86 born.
No, you see, it doesn't make much of a difference. You were registered when?
I registered, my lord. And so, দেখো না, দেখে দেখো না, উপরে আছে, এই দেখো। After the judgment, madam.
Approximate time, this is of 2017.
Yes, yes.
In 2017, you were registered. 10 years.
It is, yes, it will be after 10 years, after 10 years.
So
8, 8, 9, and 18 I have done it.
18, you have done it. Okay, what is the good ground to challenge that?
No, my lord, since I was born in India, 86, I have given a birth certificate, my lord. Of course, it was
No,
not
doesn't help
examined.
you.
That is the problem.
Because you'll have to show parentage. You are born to parents who are the citizens of India.
My grandfathers I have given, my father's given, I have given.
Where is the document?
My lord, I take annexure 1, page 13. Is my
Yes.
grandfather, my lord. That is 1966 voter list. Grandfather, grandmother.
Any
Then, my lord, I take your lordship.
any voters list with
I'm
with your
showing, my lord.
grandparents and your
Then
father?
annexure 2 is also my father and mother. That is 1997. 31 years, 39 years, my father and mother.
You see, that doesn't help you. Will tell you come to page.
17 is the my birth certificate,
This
page
again,
7.
come to page 12.
Yes, madam.
Page 12
Yes, madam.
is Arjan Nasa and Chunu Fakir.
Hmm.
So
Grandfather, grandmother.
grandfather, grandmother. And this
I have registered, my lord, my lord. I pray that my case may be remanded back so that I may, if possible, I will try to prove this, my lord, with the Gambura, etc., my lord. I have annexed those certificates, but I have not examined.
where is the review petition?
Review last page, my lord. Review order is, my lord. Page 27, my lord. When a tribunal came to the conclusion that I have not been able to establish any sufficient cause to analogous of clause 1, 2. Any apparent mistake on the face of the record.
Apparently, we find there is a link.
Not-
And in the review petition is projected that due to wrong advice, due to lack of advice, in fact, his father is alive, but could not be brought. And there's a link certificate where this uh, that link certificate was not proved. There's a connect with the birth certificate, voters list, and there appears to be a connect. You examine this, we'll take it up after vacation, but privacy is satisfied.
No.
This can be a case for sending it back for a fresh decision. You've seen the records?
No, Lord.
There appears to be a connect.
I will
Yes.
please.
Mr. Viswas will take it up after vacation and all sides are represented. Next, Mr. S.C. Viswas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that pursuant to the impugned opinion as well as the dismissal of review petition by the Learned Foreigners Tribunal, the petitioner has as the petitioner was declared to be a foreigner of
66,
between 1/1/1966 and 24/3/1971, the petitioner has registered himself before the
Registering authority Tezpur.
registration. No, what is it called?
FRR.
FRR,
FRR,
Region of Registration
Sonipur,
Officer.
Tezpur. Full stop. Next, it is further next para. It is further submitted that the petitioner has document to prove her linkage to her grandparents and to show that they were in the country prior to 1/1/1966. However, due to lack of advice, proper advice from the conducting council, though the father of the petitioner is alive, could not be examined. And the link certificate could also not be could not be proved. Next paragraph. Mr. G. Sharma, done at standing counsel for the active matters, pays for some time to go through the records and address the court. If the matter stands adjourned today, list after the ensuing intervocation or date to be fixed by the registry. Second half, we may not be sitting. There's a single bench of my esteemed sister. There's this criminal appeal. Criminal appeal to forgivable. This is item number.
Only one item.
Which one? A criminal appeal, we have already passed orders.
Already passed order.
Okay.
She's
So
660.
all the matters of division bench will be adjourned, which are remaining. We'll go after vacation.
Okay.
Bail application of 444 of 2023 doesn't appear to be connected matter. Huh? Of? No, but this is not connected with drugs. This is a Cattle Preservation Act.
That is, it will for a, but that is a mistake.
Oh, okay.
earlier rejected on the.
4448. Okay, then we'll have it tomorrow then, because tomorrow is the last day.
In that case, madam, I have seen the order, madam. The submission is that no witness has been examined. Now, as per the petition, 11 witnesses have been examined.
No, because since we don't have the record, I will not have the continuity.
Then
We'll take it up tomorrow. That record. It is 4448 of 2023. Oh, okay, both sides are represented. Mr. MP Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioners, for the AP, learned APP for the state is submitted that the relevant records pertain to BA 4448 of 2023 and not BA 448 of 2023. Expert accordingly, as incorrect records is received. That's it. Can we requisition the record now and come? Can it be taken up now? Just ask the section 4448 of 2023. Just wait, we'll see if it can be got disposed of by order dated.
5-1.
Okay. 5-1. Achha. Five 124 is disposed of on 5-124. Damn it. 5-124. 4448.
The update record will also be received. Update record of the case because.
No, rest of the things he's given it here.
Earlier it was for the case and then to paragraph 5. It has been stated that out of 20 witnesses, none has been examined.
And how many witnesses are examined? 11.
One more code number 6 of our question, code master. Yeah. Bail application 4448 of 2023.
4448.
Post date was 5-1-2024. The report to legacy. Yeah, the go the money. No, 4448. Oh, this post one.
5-1-2024.
This post is all 5-1-24. 5-1-22. To bail connected on bail application 3668-2024. As he do, as he মানে সেইটো তাৰ dispose case টো ভুল হৈছে নাম্বাৰটো 448 দিয়া আছে সেইটো 4448 হ'ব হা তো মানে লটছে বিচাৰিছে না
Has the police department conducted any inquiry pursuant to last order at the last order is at page 80. Pursuant to this order, has the government instituted an inquiry? No. You know what has happened here? Come to page 87, paragraph M. Next page. That means the IO does not know how to work. He has document, does not know how to read that document. Then if, despite this order, if nobody does it, that means nobody is interested. Now come to page 94. You see page 94. This is what we have penned down. Okay, just call me when the record comes. I'm told that it will take some time. It will take some time, 10-15 minutes. When the matter comes, I'll be called. I'll be here only in the chamber. I'll come. Because otherwise tomorrow we are tied up with many matters. So if for any reason we are not taking up today, then it goes after vacation. That's why we're trying to see if we can take it up today. Otherwise, it goes after vacation. As such, Mr. S.H. Sigdar, learned counsel for the petition on record, as well as Mr. M.P. Goswami, learned APP for the state. Next para. It is submitted that by order dated 9/2/2023, cover the records of BA 448 of 2020. No, sir, by order dated 13/12/2024. On the records of BA 448 of 2023, decided on 5/1/2024 was called comma, however, comma, the relevant records required is the record of BA number 4448 of 2023, which was disposed of by order dated 28/5/2024. Correct? I'm right or wrong? No, no. So this record may be here. No, but what is the record we are requiring? No, page. Give me the page. 71. No, 71. This is the record we are wanting. This disposal by 5/1/2024. Oh, okay. So next para. So messenger, the correct records were called for, but the said record could not be readily retrieved. Next para. In this regard, the learned APP has submitted that the records of BA 4448 of 2023 was called for in connection with BA 1242 of 2024, which was decided on, which was dismissed on 28/5/2024. So accordingly, he submits that there is a possibility that the records of BA 4448 of 2023 may be attached with the records of BA 1242 of 2024. Next paragraph. Accordingly, let the records of BA 4448 of 2023 decided on 5/1/2024, as well as the records of BA 1242 of 2024, decided on 28/5/2024, be both requisitioned. No, we have not requisitioned. Maybe we called for and tagged with the record. Full stop. Next para. The records of BA 448 of 2023 be detached and sent back. List on 3rd of up to 5, 6/1/2025.